I don't like that. So, this is my phone. Like, remember my phone? Yeah, so, anyways, it's going to be a little bit loud. I'm going to turn it down. So, I can do stuff. I'm just bored. Really bored.
And he said, I'm a man who looks like you, who cried because I never knew about the boy in picture.
These are my ringtones. Here's one by the Chipmunks. Okay. Here's my images. I'm a huge Taylor Lautner fan. So there's Taylor Lautner, if you can see him. There he is. That's Taylor Lautner. And here's another picture. My phone doesn't take pictures, but it's a wallpaper. Another one. Another one. This is my favorite. I'm a Twilight fan. Of course, all you Twilight fans out there, like Jacob Black, back off. He's mine. I'm just kidding. You can have him. I don't really like him that much. So yeah. And there's Bella and the stalkers. Would you have a poster of these guys? Right there. They're kind of stalkers when they're on the wall. They're stalking you. Yeah, that's what I like. I'm just doing this because I'm bored. See, they're stalkers. Even on my dad's, I have this poster. I have this poster. Yeah. I have that poster. This one's the coolest. Of course, I like roses. I like roses. They're so pretty. So pretty. This does something. I love shoes. It's Element. I'm not pretty much of a OU or whatever kind of, OSU. They suck. OU rocks. This one's cool. says go Sooners. I love Bad Boys. I seriously do like Bad Boys. I admit it. This is my original background on my phone. It's just sexy. It says, instead of eyes, it says I love you. It says I love myself. The cross-eyed will you. So I like this one too. Our girl is holding it. I think it's love. And it says something right there. Love, falling in love. Love being in love, whatever. This one's funny. P.S. I love you forever and today. That's what it says. Up on there. It says so perfect. Yes, you can tell that I'm with Cricket. Cricket. So look. I don't know what that says, but I'm just showing it. It says no. My most favorite out of all these, they're hearts though, but I like this one. That's cool. Hearts with something on the side of it, and it's flaming. Something says in it. I don't know what it says though, but anyways. Yeah. My sunglasses. Yay! If you look on my MySpace, and I have pictures of me wearing my sunglasses. I love these glasses. Well, don't like showing my clothes, but I'm gonna have to. No, I'm just kidding. I do. I like this. I got it for Christmas. This is sweet.